Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to unbox my Tissot Sideral Powermatic Retro watch.
Karanjetlilive.
So guys, while I'm opening it, I would like to tell you like the MRP of this watch is 995 USDs, but we paid around 490 American dollars for it. I got it in an offer. So guys, this watch, like any other Tissot watch, it comes with 2 years international warranty. So guys, here it is. So guys, this is the Tissot Sideral. Okay, so guys, this watch, okay, as I told you, it is a retro style. It was first launched in 1969. Okay, and it came with a fiberglass case. Okay, now it was relaunched in 2023. So this time the case of this watch, you can see, is stainless steel and forged carbon. Okay, as you can see. Okay, and this watch, it comes with this regatta gauge. Okay, so most of the sailing watches, they come with this. So we will make a separate video on how this regatta gauge it works. Okay, and it comes with this unidirectional bezel. Okay, and the case size of this watch is about 41 mm. Okay, and it is powered by a mechanical moment wheel. Okay, and it has a power reserve of 80 hours. Okay, so that's why we call it as Tissot Powermatic 80. That's why we call it as Tissot Powermatic 80. Okay, and you can see the back of this watch is totally see-through. You can see the mechanism working. You can see the mechanism working, and it comes with this scratch resistant anti-reflective. Now, a lot of lights are there, but still barely we can see any reflection. Sapphire crystal. Okay, and it offers water resistance up to 30 meters. So guys, mine is red in color, but there are other color options, like you have yellow, blue. Okay, and other thing about this watch is, guys, this band on this watch is interchangeable. Okay, so you can buy any other band from the market. Okay, a lot of bands are available on the Tissot website and in the market, and simply by pressing this, you can take the band off and you can easily replace it at home. Okay, and the date of this watch is at 3 o'clock date of, and the dial of this watch, the markings on the dial, they all are coated with super luminova, so which offers a very bright a vision even in the darkness. So guys, that's all for today. So this is our Tissot Sideral Powermatic. Okay, so before we end this video, I'll wear this watch, okay, so that you can see how it looks on the wrist. And guys, to close this watch, like it comes, like most of the smart watches, they have these types of closing mechanism. So this also comes with that. So let us wear it, and then we will see how it looks and how it feels. So guys, here it is, 41 mm case size, red band and very colorful dial. So guys, this is our Tissot Powermatic 80 retro style Sideral. Okay, so guys, that's all for today. So if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.